Hello guys! I have two packages. This one is full of geek and nerdy t-shirts from the Hut Group / Savvy. But I'll be doing that later. This is the package that I said I'd film me opening a while ago, but I got busy, so now I'm going to do it now. It's the Studio Ghibli one. I'm currently holding my phone, but I'm going to be using a tripod to try and hold my phone whilst I record it, because I'm not attempting to open this one-handed. And this is my weapon of choice for opening it. So, let's do this, shall we? I'm back. I'm sat down at my table. My phone is mounted in a holder that is stacked upon some DVDs, and I'm reaching around it, so this possibly won't end well. I'm gonna use my trusty knife to try and open this. And slice. Let's just make sure I've sliced that open all the way. And there is a box in a box. Oh, this is going to be fun. It's hefty! But hey, we have paper and a couple books. We now have to attempt to open this one. Looking through a viewfinder and looking through the screen of your phone and doing this is not the easiest. Currently, I'm not wearing anything Studio Ghibli because, well, my Studio Ghibli hoodie is in the wash because I'm a messy pup and dropped everything all over it. Well, dropped food all over it. And, ooh, I see. This is big. What is it? Let's just do it this way. Oh my god. Another couple books. Over there. That's so cool. My Neighbor Totoro, limited collector's edition, DVD and Blu-ray, original Japanese poster, magnetic stickers, they're going on my fridge, art cards, tote bag, and notebook. Look, it's the 30th anniversary. Studio Canal. A film by Hayao Miyazaki. 30th anniversary. Gonna need this again. Very, very carefully. Going along the top. There we go. Oh. That wasn't very useful. Let's try and do it like... Trying really hard not to scratch it because it's so pretty and green. I love the green on white contrast. It's so pretty! Now the question... Oh. What? Oh. So... How is this? Aha! It is stuck on. I'm just going to leave it flapping at the bottom because, yeah. But oh, ooh! Look at that! The art of My Neighbor Totoro. Oh, look at the lovely watercolors. Oh. What is Totoro? It is the name that our protagonist, the 4-year-old May, gives to these creatures. No one knows what their real name is. Oh. Let's just open it to another random page. Ooh. That's May's mum, who's in hospital, sadly. Oh, that's her dad. A little Totoro. Big Totoro. And Totoro's home. I will probably look through that in a bit. Go over there. Ooh, this actually feels really nice. Oh, it's quite a nice size as well. It's a really sturdy canvas bag. Ooh, it's quite big. Oh, white and green again, and it's really pretty. 1988, Studio Ghibli. Distributed by Studio Canal Limited. Artwork, copyrighted 2018, Studio Canal Limited. Not for resale. Remember that, guys, not for resale. But Totoro with his leaf on his head, and then a mini Totoro, and an even tinier baby Totoro. Aww. I'm probably going to use that for work or something, or yeah. And next we have, ooh, the postcards. I'm never ever good at getting slippy things off. Oh yeah. So we have Totoro and May's older sister with buckets and baby Totoro and small Totoro. And they are fishing. They're just a big postcard. They're really nice though. I love how they feel. They're like really thick card, and there's Totoro with May, who, when she first discovers Totoro, she falls on him. Big spoiler. I mean, it's been out 30 years. If you've not seen it, go see it. Like, genuinely, go see it. Catbirds! And May when they found her. Aww. And then, oh, May on Totoro in Totoro's home. In Totoro's bed. Oh, pretty. And they're calling the night like owls. Probably why I like Totoro so much. He's like an owl, and owls are my favourite animal. And there's Catbus with Totoro. Catbus is slightly creepy and still scares me to this day. But there we are. And then, oh gosh, oh golly. This poster is huge. This poster is, yep. This poster is absolutely huge. I don't think in any way, shape or form I'm fitting this in. Well, it's May and Totoro with Totoro's leaf to stop him from getting wet. But the poster is amazing, and it will probably go up in my room if my boyfriend will let me. Please let me, boyfriend. He's not here right now, he's at work. But here it is. Oh, the Blu-ray and DVD. It's number 9 in the collection. But yeah, I already own it on DVD, but special edition and 30 years and ooh. It's a sticker sheet. I'm no good at getting these out. I'll figure it out somehow, and they will go in my fridge. Or it'll just go in my fridge like that. Flicid ball. Oh, because they always need somewhere to live, so always have somewhere dark and damp in your house, guys. And 30th anniversary edition. My neighbor Totoro, what are you? Oh, it's a little notebook. Oh, very nice. It feels very nice. And then there's just a bit of a ribbon and Totoro at the bottom of the box. So that was what was in there. And it's all really good. And definitely worth the money I paid for it. Off Amazon. However, I wonder if it's because it was meant to be numbered. Ah, yes. Because there was only 1,000 made. and I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, 1000. And I'm number 271. Ah. I'm sad I'm not number 1, but there we go. Oh, I'll have to put it all back in there now, and when I eventually get bookshelves, it will go on my bookshelves. But as for now, I'll probably have to just pop it somewhere and keep it safe, because it's so pretty, and I've just knocked my camera. There we go. So that's what was in there. It's really gosh dang good. If there's any left, I would honestly suggest you go get one. Especially if you're a massive fan of Studio Ghibli like me. But anyway, that's that. I'll see you in the next video when I do the unbagging, I guess, because it's not a box, of the Hut group. I'll tell you what it is later. For now, bye!